The concept of the added office chair, made by me, Maya Koreman, stoffensteen.com. Originally, we developed the concept for the ARC 14 award for the architect.nl and sponsored by desktop.nl. The question was, what can you do with an old chair? In this example, we took some old frames. We added some plywood. We had a close look at the accessories. What can we do with them? First, we painted the plywood, some bright colors, and added a T-nut. We've painted the frames as well in the same bright colors. We wanted to use our 3D printers, additive manufacturing, so we picked the same bright colors of filament. We designed a button and used FFF technique, which stands for fused filament fabrication. For the upholstery, we've made some molds. For the inner cushions, we used cotton and stitched a box so the filling will keep in place. We stitched some zippers in the inner cushions for easy filling. The filling is spaghetti latex pins. This way everybody can fill their cushion the stiffness they want. This way it also won't show if you got a medical indication. Time to fit the first example. That's exactly the way we want them to look. It's time to order the fabric. Also in the same bright colors. Supplier is gprrotterdam.nl. To stop the fabric from fraying, we were looking at some grommets. But hey, we could make something ourselves. We drew a washer in SketchUp with a little slot in it, so the needle of the sewing machine would be fine there. We used a slice program which is called Cura and then printed the washer. With a marker we put a dot on the fabric so we know where to sew the washer. For us this was the exciting part. Would it work? And yes, it does. We also overlocked the edges of the fabric to stop it from fraying. With an awl, we pinched a hole in it. We put a carriage bolt through the button and that one will fit in the washer. We did this for all cushions. We also wanted to print our own casters, so we designed some. And of course printed them in matching colors. Here you can see the difference. And then it was time to do some work on the frame. Because they are old chairs, some accessories needed some work. They were a little bent. The old knobs were a little ricketing, so time for some changes, and we used these kind of bolts. We used them to fasten the iron bars here, so it won't show. The ends we covered up with some nice nuts, so we get some unity. The old handles were gone, so we designed some new ones, and of course, additive manufactured them. So, always ready. Just let's say you come in the office in the morning and you feel in the mood for blue. Just pick your blue pillows. Just choose your button. Or perhaps you can ask your boss to have a personalized button with your name on it, whatever you want, because they are printed on demand. Just imagine you're a flex worker. Go to the department where there is a chair available, cushions under your arm, buttons in the pocket. Find a chair and screw your cushions on. We just love ton sur ton. As a flex worker, you might work in a different department in the afternoon, so just take your own cushions with you. Or you even might want to take them home with you. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like the concept of soft cushions with an organic shape between the clean lines in an office. Hope to see you soon on stoffensteen.com.